Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to walk through an interesting topic. The topic is how to create Bitcoin wallet address in 2025. It will be a complete tutorial and I try my best to break it into part to part. So without any further ado, let's get it started. So here you can see we are going to use this Trust platform. It is a Trust wallet, true crypto ownership, powerful web3 experience. So how you can do it, you just need to click over here, download extension, and here you just need to choose the apps you want to use. I'm going to work with the Chrome, so I will click over here, add to Chrome, and then I will click over here, add extension. Once I click over here, then it will take a while, and then when it will be complete, then we are allowed to use it. So let's keep patience. Here you can see it is on the process, so we need to be wait 1 second, and it has done. So let's add it. So True Wallet has been added, and as you can see, if you want to create a new wallet, start fresh with new wallet, you can recover with memory, recover with private key, and the next one is ledger. So I want to start fresh, so I will click over here, and here you just need to provide your password. So let's provide my password. So I already give provided password. Let's do it again. And it's been matched, so I will click over here next. Once I click over here, then it will take time to complete the process. Then here you can see improve translate relevant. You only collect specific data to improve the user experience. Anonymous, your identity and exact location will be not connected, and the optional. So if you want to share data, it would be great. So I will share data, and here you can eventually see that our wallet is ready to use. Just click over here and click onto the got it, manage all your tokens easily. I'm ready to use Trust wallet, and here eventually you can see this is the Bitcoin. If you want to share, send any Bitcoin, you are allowed to do it. If you want to receive, you can. Let's click to the post anyway, and here you just need to search BTS, and this is your code. So in this way you can easily create your profile on Trust wallet. This is the easiest way. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was informative for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with another new interesting topic. Thanks for watching.